Have you ever wondered why you suddenly go, achoo, when dust, pollen, pepper, or tiny particles enter your nose? They can irritate the inside lining. Your nose immediately sends a message to your brain saying, something shouldn't be here. Your brain quickly activates a defense system to get rid of the unwanted visitor. Your chest muscles tighten, your eyes close, and your lungs fill with air. Then, achoo, air blasts out of your nose and mouth at high speed, pushing out the irritants. Did you know? During a sneeze, your eyes usually close automatically to help protect them. So sneezing is actually your body's way of cleaning and protecting your nose. Pretty cool, right?